Ever walk past that awkward space beneath your stairs and think, what a waste of potential? That odd corner could be so much more. Whether you need extra storage, a cozy reading nook, or a clever closet, let's explore how to turn your understair space into something beautifully useful. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the first step in using stair storage? Begin by measuring every inch, height, depth, and the stair's angle. That shape will guide whether you can install drawers, shelves, or custom cabinets. Without exact dimensions, it's easy to misjudge how much space you really have, so treat this like your blueprint moment. Measuring up, like this tip. What's best for kids' storage? Use cubbies, labeled bins, or pull-out drawers for toys, books, and art supplies. Keep everything low and safe for easy access. Add a soft rug or beanbag nearby, and it becomes a play spot with hidden tidiness. It teaches cleanup in style. Kid-friendly wins, like now. What about pet zones? Perfect idea. Add a cozy pet bed, feeding station, or even a litter box area with ventilation. You can conceal it with cabinetry or leave it open depending on your style. Pets love cozy corners, and this one's already built in. Pet-friendly? Like this tip. What about open shelving? Open shelves make stylish use of space without feeling bulky. Store baskets, display decor, or even build a small library. Keep it coordinated with tones and textures that match the rest of the home. It's functional, decorative, and blends effortlessly into your design. Like clean shelving? Hit like. Is wine storage possible here? Absolutely. Build angled wine racks that follow the stairs, or add a mini fridge below. LED lighting enhances the look, and glass doors can showcase your collection. It's functional and adds an upscale personal touch to your home. Wine lovers? Tap like. Is it possible to use for a pantry? Definitely, especially if your stairs are near the kitchen. Pull-out shelving or deep pantry cabinets can store dry goods and extra supplies. Add bins, labels, and soft-closed doors for a clean, quiet pantry zone that keeps your kitchen clutter-free. Hungry for ideas? Like this one. How can I keep it looking neat? Stick with a cohesive style, match bins, use closed fronts, and maintain order. Lighting also makes a difference. Tidy, intentional design keeps the space feeling like an upgrade, not a catch-all for clutter. Neat Freak approved? Hit like. Can it be used as a closet? Absolutely. Install rods for hanging coats, lower racks for shoes, and hooks for bags or umbrellas. Enclose it with a sleek door or a neutral curtain. Whether you're adding a mudroom vibe or just hiding the mess, this transforms wasted space into a daily lifesaver. Closet goals? Tap like now. Can it be changed later? Yes. Use modular pieces, rolling carts, bins, and adjustable shelves. As your needs evolve, so can the space. Whether it's storage today or a pet nook tomorrow, smart flexibility means it always works for you. Love flexibility? Like this idea. Can I turn it into a home office? Yes, and it's surprisingly effective. Add a slim desk, floating shelves, and a comfy chair. include task lighting and an outlet for devices. It's a space-saving solution that turns an awkward corner into a productivity zone without taking over a room. Tiny office goals like this setup. Are drawers a good option? Yes, and they're often the smartest choice. Deep, slope-following drawers can hold shoes, linens, toys, or tools. They hide clutter, yet remain accessible. Best of all, they blend into the stair trim for a polished finish that feels intentional, not improvised. Drawer fan? Like this idea. Can I make it a reading nook? Yes, a built-in bench, plush pillows, soft lighting, and a few nearby books turn this into a peaceful hideaway. Add drawers or lift-top seating for secret storage underneath. It's cozy, personal, and doubles as a quiet place to reset. Nook lover? Tap like now. No matter the shape or size, the space under your stairs holds incredible potential. With thoughtful design, this once overlooked area can transform into a highlight of your home. Start planning, get creative, and make every corner count.